This guide will walk you through how to test a data verification extension app using the data verification reference implementation. Note that all values, email addresses, keys, secrets, tokens, and other personal information you might see are for demo purposes only and have been deleted or revoked. This is a technical demo showcasing how to test a data verification extension app using the data verification reference implementation. The project files for this app are available on GitHub at the link in the description of this video. The data verification reference implementation includes 6 example manifests that each correspond to a different data verification type. In this demo, we will focus on email verification. At this point, you have downloaded, set up, and are running the reference implementation locally. You have uploaded your manifest to the DocuSign Developer Console as an extension app, and you have also created a DocuSign template with a custom verification field that is configured to use your data verification extension app. You can test your extension app connection and extension in the Testing tab on the Developer Console. On the row displaying your connection, select Run Test. The authorization server URL should be pre-populated from your manifest file. Select Run Test. A new tab should open to a consent page from your app. Give consent by selecting Click Me to consent. After giving consent, you will be redirected back to the Developer Console, where you should see that the test succeeded. You should also see the successful authentication request in the terminal window where you ran the app. Now that you have successfully tested the connection, you can test your extension by selecting Run Test. This reference implementation uses sample data to simulate a database lookup function to verify email addresses. You can find accepted values for email addresses in the sample data TS file. To test the email address verification extension, choose from one of the email addresses listed in this file in the sample email database. Use the proper JSON format for your request body. An example of this can be found in the README. After filling in the JSON request body, select Run Test. You should see your successful test results in the Developer Console with the JSON response body. The app will handle 2 verification failure cases. The first is whether the email address is improperly formatted, and the second is whether the email address was not found in your sample email database. And again, you should be able to see your requests in the terminal window where your app is running. After confirming that our connection and extensions function as expected, let's test our extension app within a DocuSign envelope. Go to the Templates tab in your developer account and find the row displaying the template that you previously set up with a custom verification field configured to use your extension app. Select Use. Add a name and email for the signer recipient, then select Send. For this demo, I filled in the recipient details for the account I'm currently signed into, so that I have the option to sign now. Now I'm taken to the document where we previously set up a custom email verification field. Select Continue to complete the document. Sign the document and fill in an email address. This email address field will be verified against the same sample email database that you used to test the extension in the Developer Console. You'll see a verification succeeded message. If the email was not found in the sample database, or if the email is improperly formatted, you'll see a verification failed message. This concludes the demo on how to test an email verification extension app with the data verification reference implementation. Thanks for watching.